Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Excel into Microsoft List. All right. As you can see here, I do have one Excel file right here. Okay, that has data. Now what I'm going to do to import it is just go ahead over to List once more. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new list. Hit on create. And then here we have the option to import. Okay. As you can see, just click on CSV and then go ahead over to the file that you would like to import. For example, this one, as I have shown you earlier, I'm going to click on it to make sure that it is highlighted. Then I'm going to hit on open. As you can see here we have the data. Now I'm just going to go ahead and hit on next. Change the title if you want to. Hit on create. Wait for it to finish. Might take some time depending on how large your data is. And after that stage, you're good to go. And as you can see here, I do have an error because I don't have the license. As you can see here, I only have the preview one. Okay. So that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.